So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have seen the last videos. So today I thought I'll come up with something which will be of benefit for my viewers. So now it's a time where people would be attending a lot of interviews, could be for a job, could be for your MBA. And there is one question which is constantly asked in many interviews, that is, sell me this pen.
Sell me this pen.
I want to provide the solution for this question, how I would be tackling. There isn't any predetermined way to tackle this question, but finding the better alternative for the same. So let's straight away go to the answer. So the question, sell me this pen, is more of a question which is put forward by the interviewer to analyze how good you are in tackling situation constantly. Okay, so basically when this question is put forward to you, the interviewer would be analyzing how spontaneous you are. Okay, so the first thing you should be doing is to make it engaging. I'll make a flow chart for this. I'll put it in the video. I'll give you an example. Okay, you are asked, sell me this pen. So you take the pen and ask the interviewer, when was the last time you had used a pen? So this will have two aspects. Okay, it could be a yes, that is, I used it 2 days back, or it could be an answer which is no, either yes or no. Two aspects are there. Okay, so if it's a yes, okay, then you have to make it even more engaging. Ask him, what was the purpose for which you had used the pen? You would say either for signing certain contracts or signing certain important documents. So when that is also coming to engagement, that is, he is replying to it in a positive manner, take it to the next level. That is going to be the pitch. Okay, so your pitch should be in a manner in which you can't give him an option to say no to it. Okay, and so I would construct a sentence of such sorts for my pitch. So when you are a person who is of utmost importance to your business, wherein you sign important contracts for the future of your business, it shouldn't be done with a normal random pen. I would recommend you to something of such novelty for a pristine event of such sorts. So use this for those events. So this is something constructive, and when you're doing it in a spontaneous manner, it would make a better impact. Okay, so coming back to the flow, when you start engaging, if it's a yes for engagement, just go with the flow of engaging. But directly, if it's coming to a no, when you start to be engaged, make it more engaging, directly go to the pitch. And the pitch should be very strong, as in you have to put them in a small pain point. That is, you are a person of pristine importance for your business, wherein you sign important business contracts for the future of your business. So this is something wherein you are putting it in pressure, wherein you are telling him or putting him in a situation where he is of utmost importance, the interviewer. And when an interviewee is saying something of such significance, he can't deny, right? He would say yes to that. So it's more of a situation in which you are just presenting yourself with better communication, better constructive ideas, and above all, making greater pitches. So this would be how you will be evaluated, and let me know how you would be taking this forward. Okay, and it will be great if you could comment down below how you will be taking such a question forward. And I hope you have liked the video. If you haven't seen the previous videos, I'll list it up somewhere up here. And if you're not subscribed, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.